In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Figma to React code for free. We'll walk through a simple, no-cost workflow that takes a design in Figma and converts it into React-friendly code using a plugin so you can move from design to implementation faster. Start by opening your Figma file. Make sure you have edit or view access to the project you want to export from, and give the design a quick look to confirm the frame or component you want is clearly labeled. Well-named layers and clean auto-layout structures generally produce cleaner code, so a quick tidy up now can save time later. Next, head to the bottom area of Figma's interface and click the Actions option. This opens Figma's quick access panel for plugins and widgets. In the search field, type Builder.io. You're looking for the Builder.io plugin, which is commonly used to translate designs into code while preserving layout details. When it appears in the results, select Builder.io to launch it on the right side of your canvas. Before exporting, click on the specific layer you want to convert. This can be a single component, a frame, or a section of your UI. Selecting the right node is important because the plugin will generate code based on exactly what you've highlighted. If you're unsure, start with the top-level frame that contains your full component. This usually yields a coherent React snippet with structure and styles grouped logically. With your layer selected, look inside the Builder.io plugin for the Smart Export option. Smart Export analyzes the selected design and prepares a React-ready snippet. Give it a moment to process, especially if your selection includes nested layers, images, or complex auto layout. The more organized your layers are, the more readable the output tends to be. Once the code is generated, click Copy. That places the React code onto your clipboard, ready to drop into your project. You can paste it into a React component file, such as a .jsx or .tsx file, and then wire it up to your styles, assets, and any data or state management you need. If you see inline styles or class names, consider refactoring them into your preferred styling approach, whether that's CSS modules, styled components, Tailwind, or your team's design system. Also, check that any images or icons referenced in the code have corresponding assets in your project and replace placeholder paths if necessary. And that's it. You've opened your Figma file, launched Builder.io from the Actions panel, selected the exact layer you want, used Smart Export, and copied the React code for use in your app. Keep your layers clean, lean on auto layout, and you'll get consistently better results for free.